Taurus, welcome to your reading. So, if this reading resonate, please check your other placements like Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. And let's see, the first card that is coming for Taurus is playfulness, which is, I think, health wise, you are going to be having a great time. Your health is going to be sound during this time in June, Taurus. You will feel on top of the world. You will feel like you can do a lot. Maybe you will take trips. You will have new ideas to, work on your body or feel good about yourself. You will stand out during this time. Body wise, I feel that your body mind are in good shape during this time, Taurus, and you will feel on top of the world. You will feel like taking things forward. When it comes to you feel passionate, desirable, and all those things are flowering within yourself during this time. आई थिंक दैट वर्क वाइज मे बी योर फीलिंग कि जहाँ पे अभी हैं वही रहने देते हैं, और कुछ आपके वर्क के चीज़ें हैं जो आप अभी पोस्टपोन कर रहे हो, जो आपको फ्यूचर में दिख रहा है कि ओके मैं ऐसा करूँगी या ऐसा करूँगा, आई वांट टू मेक दिस हैपन इन लाइफ, लेकिन अभी उस चीज़ में इतने कलर्स नहीं है, अभी उतना वो ब्राइट नहीं है, पर अंदर ही अंदर आप उस पर वर्क कर रहे हो, समवेयर यू वर्किंग. सो पेशेंस इज सीम्स टू बी हैपनिंग हेयर. At work there is patience for some ideas while working with your current situation. Maybe you have kids, so you're taking care of the kids. And then we have the mind. So I feel during this time, Taurus, it looks like you're a lot in your mind, you're a lot in your head, you're trying to gain clarity over things, you're trying to move forward. Definitely looks like kids energy, kids trying to want something from you. Okay, prioritize your rest, Taurus. Do not be burnt out during this time. Do not like step into the territories that are not your favorite. Yeah, because that might make you feel exhausted, that might make you feel like, I feel, Taurus, you definitely are in two minds during this time. ये करूँ या ये करूँ, इस चीज़ पे ध्यान दूँ, घर पे ध्यान दूँ, काम पे ध्यान दूँ. So somewhere, and you have to learn the art of going with the flow. You have to learn the art of being this person who who gets everything done, but is not scared of their work, is not scared of their getting exhausted, is always able to retain energy. And that retention of energy will happen when you will not get too involved in the outside world, but rather prioritize a restful mind. Prioritizing your mental health during this time is definitely an advice here. So try to prioritize restful awareness instead of like getting thoughts and getting too involved in it. Try to observe yourself. Okay, you're thinking this way, is it necessary to go with this thought current? Maybe no. So come back. So somewhere you need to prioritize your thinking process and understand what it means to go with the flow. You may be thinking that you know a lot about certain things, but you are not as smart as you think. Somewhere you are burning candles at the both end. Okay, so try to save your energy mental by not बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटल एनर्जी, आप या तो आप ऑनलाइन चीज़ें देख रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, तो उस चीज़ में आपकी एनर्जी जा रही है, या आप लोग आपके बारे में क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. सो दोज थिंग्स आर नो एंड वर्क में ऐसा हो गया. इन वर्क सम सिचुएशन इज देयर विच इज़ मेकिंग यू फील दैट यू बीन रॉन्ग्ड, and if that is there, you need to know that it's only a matter of time. Things will come back to shape. But अगर आप अभी दुखी हो तो एक अच्छा हंसने वाला मास्क पहनने से कोई मतलब नहीं है. If you're sad, do not take time out for your mental health during this time. Other thing about this relationship part, there is a new start coming in your relationship, there is a new way of handling things. I feel there is a communication required in your relationship. And if you're single, then somebody is coming towards you with whom communication will start. If you're already committed or have a partner, this is like you will get into deeper conversations and maybe even start a new project with your partner during this time. And uh, Taurus, there could be that you are, as I said, you're doing too much in some way, you're getting exhausted in some way, and you're doing that because you want to maintain the status of a current flow. Whatever is happening, you want to maintain, you want to keep some people happy, you want to, and that is a lot of juggling to do, and you cannot avoid that, because somewhere you know that this juggling only will open the doors for me in the future. So when you know that, uh, you need to okay, Yeah. If that is your case, then there is no way out. You have to maintain this energy, but you cannot indulge in negativity. That if you do that also, then you will really be exhausted. The status maintaining that you are doing will make you feel exhausted till night, but then you will sleep well and then you'll wake up fresh. But if you're mentally also feeling ki I'm doing all this but not even being grateful and wanting something more, then even mentally you will feel exhausted. And that is the main thing कि ये बिल्कुल आपको नहीं करना है. ठीक है, आप किसी वजह से सर्टन लोगों से नहीं मिलना चाहते हो या सर्टन लोगों से मिलने से आपकी एनर्जी डिप्लीट होती है, देन व्हाई डू यू गो देयर? ठीक है, वो दे आर पार्ट ऑफ योर फैमिली. Somewhere you need to rebel against all this also. Somewhere you need to rebel against people who force you to do certain things. Okay, and the change is very subtle here. The change that is coming in here is very subtle due to a partner or due to someone. There is a change coming into your life and it's very subtle. First, it is changing the way of thinking. Okay, it is making you easygoing. It is making you start new projects. It is making you do the right thing, not the pleasurable thing. And Taurus, overall, this energy is taking you where you're supposed to be. It's just that you have options here that you can pick from, and I would suggest pick wisely. Pick from a healed space. Pick from a place where you're not feeling victim. You're not feeling, just do not just cut some good people off just because you're exhausted. Try to pick people from, summoning power, instinct, intellect, control. Yeah, I think you have big plans, Taurus. You have big plans for yourself. You really want to, but ठीक है, आपके पास बिग प्लान्स हैं, आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, आप चीज़ें एकदम फुल पावर में अपनी आप करना चाहते हो चीज़ें, लेकिन एक अंडरलेइंग कन्फ्यूजन भी है. एक चीज़ के बहुत सारे मतलब है, एक सिचुएशन के बहुत सारे मतलब है जो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहे, जो आपको कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं. सो गिव योर सेल्फ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड दोज many meanings also, and and those should not cause misunderstanding in your personal relationship. I hope this makes sense. Yeah, there is very un what's the word, रूढ़िवादिता नहीं है यहाँ पे, unconventional. हाँ, there is unconventional energy here that you're trying to bring in, that you're trying to try and go into, and this requires thinking in an unconventional way also, and that thinking will come from a space of really knowing that the universe loves you, that there is oneness in universe, that there is no separation. Everybody is a reflection of you, and the way they reflect you gives you space to heal parts of you. Okay, so this is the kind of message here. The deeper spiritual message here is to understand that true love happens when you have true self-love. That means that or you can fall into self-love with the help of another person, with the help of another reflection, but that will only happen when you will stop judging the situation, when you will stop judging people involved in the situation, and truly have a new start by shining your true light and avoiding or ignoring the things that cause you mental pain or that make you postpone embodying your own energy or that make you sad in some way. You need to kick out sadness from your life, and that's when you will be able to embody all this energy. Okay, you can use some healing during this time. This time is basically teaching you how to maintain your money as well as how to go with the flow. Okay, so yeah, I would say you can get some healing also, like Lama Fera healing. um, I do that, and the details are in the description of this video. So you can do all that such things to help yourself understand what is depleting you and not go in that spiral. Okay, the good spiral here is the churning that is happening is that you're meeting the right kind of people. You're meeting people who will help you and bring you out of your problems. I don't know how much you trust these people, but uh, you can trust the situation. You can trust the people who are there for you when you are at your low. Okay, and there is infinite possibilities from here. Just because somebody doesn't believe in infinite possibilities doesn't mean that they are a bad person. It just means that they are not healed in that way, and you should not expect everything from that person. You should also do your own personal research, and not everybody will be able to fulfill you in all directions. Don't compare your lovers, don't compare your situation with other people. Try to know the truth behind your current situation. Try to rise above judgment, exhaustion, and negative mental energy. That way, you will be able to embrace this new start and know that why your higher self would put you in such a situation, why you would put yourself in such a situation. You will be able to understand that. Overall, I feel that this will be a month of enjoying your power, rising above in power, having upper hand in everything, being the mother that you are. So this is what I have for you in this reading, Taurus. If this resonates, check other readings on the channel, check your other placements. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.